Hi guys, welcome to my channel on TD Made Easy. If you're new on this channel, please click on the subscribe button. Today I'm going to explain question 18 of Waec 2019 past question. The question says, the center of the inscribed circle in figure 7, this is figure 7, a triangle with an inscribed circle. The center is obtained at the intersection of A, two line bisectors, B, two sides, C, a side and an angle bisector, D, two angle bisectors. Now, to obtain the circle, you need two angle bisector. What do we mean by two angle bisector? So now when you draw a line, when you bisect an angle, you draw a line to show the bisection. So this line is called a bisector. Now, this bisector is coming from an angle. So because it's coming from an angle, it is referred to as angle bisector. So this is angle bisector 1, and the other one will be angle bisector 2. Now, at the intersection of these two bisectors, which are angle bisectors, an inscribed circle is formed. So the answer to question 18 is option D.